Junior video. Here we go. Let's talk about rates. A rate is a comparison of two different variables. For example, speed is a rate that compares distance with time. The heart rate or heartbeat is a rate that compares the number of beats over time. Now, rates use words like per or every. For example, the speed of the car was 80 kilometers per hour. That means every hour that ticks by, the car's traveled 80 kilometers. The heart rate was 80 beats every minute. So every minute that ticks by, the heart has ticked over 80 times. Now, rates are solved by either multiplication or division. And I'm going to show you a technique in this video, which is just trial and error. Some teachers may not find this the most appreciative, but I think it helps you once you gain your confidence, you'll be able to figure out how to do these things a lot quicker than the way I show you in the video. Right, example 1, a car travels at a speed of 90 kilometers per hour for 3 hours. How far has it traveled after the 3 hours? So we're going 90 kilometers every hour, and we're doing this for 3 hours. So here are our 4 possible scenarios of multiplying and dividing. Taking a look at these bottom two, both answers give us numbers less than 90. Now, if we're traveling at 90 kilometers every hour for 3 hours, we know we're going to travel more than 90 kilometers, so we can ditch those two off our spectrum, and we're left with the correct answer, which is 270 kilometers. We've just multiplied the speed by the time. Right, example 2 is exactly the same as example 1. The numbers are a little bit more messier. Notice the speed is 57.8, and this km/h is a scientific way some people write kilometers per hour. So the speed's 57.8 kilometers per hour, and we're traveling for 2.5 hours. Well, we know from the last example, we just multiply the speed by the time. Notice we've turned 2.5 into 2.5 hours to get 144.5 kilometers. Right, number 3, pack and save, sell bananas for $2.95 per kilogram. How much would 3.2 kilograms of bananas cost? So it's $2.95 for every kilogram, and we're buying just over 3 kilograms of bananas. So here's our 4 possible scenarios of multiplying and dividing. Once again, these bottom 2 answers are less than $2.95. We're buying more than 1 kilogram, so it's got to cost at least $2.95. So these 2 we can ditch, and the correct answer is $9.44. We take the cost per kilogram and multiply by how many kilograms we're going to get. Right, Silvana can type at an average rate of 70 words every minute. How long is it going to take her to type a 2,500 word report? So her typing speed is 70 words every minute, and we're trying to get up to 2,500 words. So here are our 4 possible answers of multiplying and dividing. Once again, let's decide what's the correct answer. Here's a table over here. After 1 minute, she's typed 70 minutes. So after 2 minutes, it's 140 words. After 3 minutes, she's typed 210 words. And so on. After 15 minutes, she's typed over 1,000 words. So 15 minutes is 1,000 words. Now we're trying to get up to 2,500 words. In 15 minutes, she can get up to 1,000 words. So these answers here of 175,000 minutes look far too big for this to be correct. So we're going to ditch those. This answer here also seems ridiculous. That's not even a minute to type 2,500 words. So we'll ditch that, and we've taken the 2,500 divided it by 70 to get 35.7, which we might round to 36 minutes to write the report. Right, final example. Brenda delivers 644 papers in 7 hours. How many papers does she deliver per hour? 644 papers in 7 hours. Here are our 4 possibilities. Now these 2 up here look ridiculous. If she's doing 644 papers in 7 hours, she can't deliver 4,500 papers per hour. So we'll ditch those. This again looks ridiculous. That's not even 1 paper per hour. So we'll ditch that. And to get the answer, we've taken the number of papers and divided it by the time to get 92 papers every hour. Great. Thank you very much for watching.